There is a saying among marketers that storytelling is SEO for the human brain. Of course, when this saying was first coined, it had nothing to do with social media stories, but perhaps it should have. Social media stories, in fact, have huge potential to engage audiences, to build authority and trust, and to generally boost your brand. Not only that, but they're also gaining in popularity all the time. Social media stories took the internet by storm, and they're not showing any signs of slowing down now. But how can you benefit from it? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn precisely what a story is. You will learn how to create a story. You will learn how to have huge success using stories to grow your audience. You will learn how to increase brand loyalty. You will learn how to promote yourself using stories just like major brands do. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing the power of social media stories for marketers, how social media stories are making their way into marketing. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is a social media story? Using stories for marketing, the basics. More benefits of stories and how to use them to maximum effect. Instagram stories for business. Facebook stories for businesses. Snapchat stories for businesses. How to create better stories. Advanced technique in selling. The rest of your strategy. How to put this all into action. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually benefit from the power of social media stories for marketers. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know what a story actually is. You want to create a story the right way. You want to have huge success using stories to grow your audience. You want to increase brand loyalty. You want to promote yourself using stories just like major brands do. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, the power of social media stories for marketers, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, the power of social media stories for marketers, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, the power of social media stories for marketers, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to benefit from the power of social media stories for marketers, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you benefit from the power of social media stories for marketers. I'll see you on the inside.